Strategies for Communicating, Conversation Lesson for June 18th. In this lesson, you will learn how to agree with someone and how to disagree with someone in conversation. Conversation 1. Agree with someone. In a conversation, when you agree with someone, you can say things like, I agree. You're right. I was thinking the same thing. Listen to the conversation.
You know, the boss is in a terrible mood today.
I agree. He is.
We probably should. You know, the boss is in a terrible mood today.
In this conversation, person A makes a statement and person B agrees with person A. In this conversation, we're also going to practice giving short answers. For example, person A says, the boss is in a terrible mood today. And person B gives a short answer by just saying, he is. He refers to the boss, and is means that he is in a terrible mood today. Here are some more examples of giving short answers. Listen and repeat. He is. It isn't. It does. He doesn't. She did. They don't. We will practice using short answers in the following conversations. Practice the conversation agreeing with someone. Use the new words in the blue box. Listen and repeat. The soup is cold. It doesn't taste very good. Also, remember to use a short answer for the words circled in orange. This movie isn't very good. We should probably leave now. Use those new words in the conversation. It looks like a storm is coming. We should probably get out of the pool. Practice the conversation using the new words. Our English teacher taught us a lot. We should have a party for her. Tiger and Puffy don't look very healthy. We should call the vet. Complete the following 2 activities as homework for Conversation 1. Activity 1. Complete the conversation. Activity 2. Listening. Give short answers to complete the conversations. You may go back to the slide and practice short answers before completing this activity. 1. Sally's grandfather is very interesting. I agree. He is. The short answer, he is used in this conversation. We use he because we are talking about Sally's grandfather. A grandfather is a male, so we use the word he. Continue with conversations 2 through 10. Use a short answer in the blank space. Listening. Listen and choose the correct response. Circle A or B. 1. Mr. Wilkins was in a great mood today. A. He is. B. He was. The correct answer is B. He was, because the sentence says, Mr. Wilkins was in a great mood today. 2. It won't break down. A. It won't. B. It did. Circle the correct response. 3. They're going to do their homework together. A. They do. B. They are. 4. We have to get back to work. A. We do. B. We have. 5. She gets excellent grades. 5. She has. B. She does. 6. Bob and Bill went home early. A. He did. B. They did. 7. It's going to be a difficult test. A. It does. B. It is. 8. The doctor wasn't very busy. A. He wasn't. B. He isn't. 9. She quit. A. She is. B. She did. Conversation 2. Disagree with someone. In a conversation, when someone gives an opinion, you may ask, "Why do you say that?" because you might want to know the reason for their opinion. If you disagree, you may say, "No, not really," if they ask you if you agree. You can also say, "I disagree."
You know, I think this bread
Listen
is
to the
stale.
conversation.
Oh? Why do you say that?
It feels very hard. Don't you agree?
No, not really. I disagree.
In conversation 2, person A will use the words in the blue box in the conversation. Practice the conversation disagreeing with someone. First, let's read the words in the blue box. Listen and repeat. We should repaint our house. The color is fading. Person A will use the words in the blue box in the conversation. Now you practice. Listen and repeat. The coach is upset with me. He shouts at me a lot. Use the new words to practice the conversation. Listen and repeat. This elevator isn't very safe. It's making strange noises. Use the words in the blue boxes to practice the conversation. Listen and repeat. This yogurt tastes just like ice cream. It's very rich and creamy. Use the words in the blue box to practice the conversation. Listen and repeat. The new office assistant likes you. He smiles at you all the time. Use the words in the blue boxes to practice the conversation. Homework activities for Conversation 2. Complete the conversation. Listening. Complete the following conversations by filling in the correct last line. First, let's read the lines at the top. Listen and repeat. She looks really relaxed. B. She's wearing a new ring. C. She was late again today. D. She's a very efficient worker. You will use one of those sentences, A, B, C, or D, to complete conversations 1, 2, 3, and 4. Conversation 1. You know, I'm afraid Barbara will get fired. Oh, why do you say that? The answer here is C. She was late again today. Complete conversations 2, 3, and 4 for homework. Listening. Listen and decide where each conversation is taking place. Circle A or B for the correct answer. 1. I'd like to know the balance of my checking account. Certainly. What's your account number? Where is this conversation taking place? A, in a bank. B, in a doctor's office. The correct answer is A, in a bank. Number 2. I need an X-ray of your gums. All right. Can you do it right now? Where is this conversation taking place? A, in a dentist's office. B, in a drugstore. 3. You just missed the exit. Uh-oh, I'll get off at the next one. 3. In an elevator. B, on an expressway. 4. I just lost 2 quarters. Which machine did you put your clothes in? A, in an employee lounge. B, in a laundromat. 5. I'd like a refund, please. Could I see your receipt? Where is this conversation taking place? A, in a department store. B, in a theater. 6. Did you push the button? Yes, but it won't start. A, in a dressing room. B, in an elevator. 7. We're overbooked tonight. Oh no, what are we going to do? A, in a library. B, in a hotel. 8. What happened? I burned myself on the stove. Okay, take a seat. The nurse will see you soon. A, in a clinic. B, in someone's kitchen. 9. Do you have a strong cold medicine? Yes, I do. Try this. A, in a pharmacy. B, in a restaurant. This week's lesson is now complete. Remember, you can replay and revisit this lesson as many times as needed to practice the conversations. Send me an email of your completed homework to receive attendance credit. If you would like additional practice, there is a second lesson that you may also complete. Again, that lesson is optional, and you only need to do it if you would like additional work for the week. Otherwise, this lesson is complete. Thanks and have a great day.